Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my home. Well, our friends are coming down from Niagara-on-the-Lake. I'm having them over for dinner, and for a starter, I'm going to make stracciatella soup with star pastina. Delicious, so simple to prepare. Now let's get started. Place some water to boil with lots of salt, and I'm going to cook the stellette 1 cup for approximately 10 to 11 minutes. I'm going to start off by heating up 6 cups of vegetable stock. I'm going to add 2 peperoncini, a little bit of pepper, and sea salt. We're going to start with the stracciatella. 3 eggs at room temperature. Rule of thumb is 1 egg per 2 cups of stock. Okay, I'm just going to mix the eggs. 2 tablespoons of semolina flour. 2 tablespoons of Parmigiano-Reggiano. 2 tablespoons of pecorino romano. To season with sea salt, pepper, about a 1/4 teaspoon of fresh nutmeg. Okay, I'm going to give this a final mix. Okay, now we're ready to add the stracciatella mixture to the broth. Now it's very important while it's pouring in that you continuously stir. This is what you want. There's your stracciatella. Oh, how gorgeous. I'm going to say it if you can only smell my kitchen. You can have the soup just as is, but I really like it with the stellette. You can also, if you like, you can add Swiss chard. That's also commonly used. Okay, our last ingredient, 1 cup of chopped parsley. I'm going to let everything cook for a couple of minutes, and we're ready to taste. The stracciatella soup with stellette pastina is ready. Just a little bit of olive oil on top, a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and we're ready to taste. Absolutely delicious. My friends are going to love this. And you saw how easy it was to prepare. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. And it's Caterina from my home to yours. Don't forget to hit your like button. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel. Ciao.